Hello, my BL lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 10 of the series Unintentional Love Story. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. As Won Young refused to see Taijun anymore, all the memories came back to him, and he realizes that he can't live without Won Young and need to get him back. He asked Won Young that why is he giving up now. So Won Young tells him that he saw Taijun and Inho going in the cab together and can't understand why he forgave him who hurt him so badly but can't forgive Won Young. Taijun tells him that his teacher organized a pottery class for the students and he couldn't miss it, and Inho came unannounced. He needed to go with him to reach on time. Won Young said that he would do anything to make Taijun forgive him, but the only thing Taijun wanted from him is now not an apology but a relationship. All the misunderstandings are clear and they are back loving each other. Donghi and Hote are at Gonghi's place, and Hote was as usually flirting with Donghi. When Gonghi asks Donghi that what is his ideal type, he says that he would love to go to Spain and live with a Latin man as they're quite sexy, and Hote is now thinking about learning Spanish. As Taijun and Won Young reached the party, Donghi was so happy to see Won Young and guessed from the vibe that they are back together. He was so relieved. At work, Won Young got to hear from his colleagues that he got back his job as a senior because of whom he was suspended accepted his fault much earlier. Won Young was angry at manager Jung for knowing about it and making him do all that to Taijun, taking advantage of Won Young's unknowingness that he was already accepted back by the company. Taijun saw Won Young and asked him to come out to meet. Inho accused Won Young of using Taijun for promotion. On the other side, Taijun was waiting for Won Young. Inho asked Won Young to leave Taijun as he only belonged to him. But just then Taijun comes. As he was about to hit Inho, Won Young stopped him and they went away. Taijun hears people saying that Won Young used means to approach Taijun and got back his job because of it. He was upset to hear it and asked Won Young to quit this job and stop bearing it, as he was the person who asked him to go back to work in this company. But Won Young says that no one's words affects him except Taijuna's. They are being so childish and clingy to each other. Their romantic mood is on. Asks Won Young to use him. Won Young says that he would rather love him. They are so in love with each other. Donghi is so done with Hote, as when he thought that he was preparing for his exams, Hote was busy learning Spanish to impress him. Donghi is now giving up on being stubborn, as he is realizing Hote's seriousness for him. And now, to bring justice to Won Young, Taijuna made manager Jung apologize to him in order to be on his job. And here comes the end to a yet another beautiful story. Love comes in so many ways and teaches us to be so selfless and pure. In love, there is no place for lies, as we should be always true to our partner. Trust is the only key to open the door for love. So guys, open your heart to love and accept it with wholeheartedness. Thank you.